Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in today's tutorial I will show you how to crop photo in Lightroom Classic. So this is my photo that we want to crop, and we want to crop only his face with his shoulders. So first thing you need to do is go right here to this icon. As you can see, this is crop icon. Click on it or just use shortcut R. If you use shortcut R, then you can see that this will pop up, and here you can drag from all of these four corners. So let's say I will drag from this corner. And now, as you can see, I can crop like this, like this, like this. And when I'm holding shift, I am cropping without changing my aspect ratio. So I will crop it like this, then like this, because I don't mind changing my aspect ratio. And as you can see, when I press enter right now, my photo is cropped. If you want to bring it back, always you can do Command Z and Command Z to undo it, and then crop it again. So let's say now I'm going to crop with this button. And I can also rotate it like so. As you can see, when I drag it from up, I can rotate in my crop like this. So we can really play with it, press enter to save it, and Command Z to make it back. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial, and see you guys. Bye bye.